Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. In this video we are going to talk about Facebook ads and why are they not working. So first of all, in order to advertise successfully, you must track all of your data. It doesn't matter if you use a landing page, a website, or you just use lead generation campaigns directly from Facebook. You must track everything you do in order to analyze your data and figure out what is working for you and what is not. If your campaign was successful, you probably want to duplicate those results and run it again. So if something is working, you probably want to know what exactly and how to duplicate it. The same idea goes for every campaign that doesn't work. You want to know what was the exact reason for the failure. In this video, I will go through all the popular reasons why your campaign might not work. But if you want to know exactly what was wrong with your campaign, you must know how to optimize your campaign on Facebook, how to read the data that you get from your campaigns. And if you still don't know how to do it, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel and join me for one of my workshops on Facebook campaign advertising, or simply get one of my Facebook courses where I teach you exactly what to do and how to run your Facebook campaigns. You will find a link in the description below. So the first and most popular reason for all campaign failures is low budget. Yes, low advertising budget. It may be a daily budget or a lifetime budget, but it still can be low. If you're targeting an expensive audience and you're running multiple ad sets, but you have just $5 per ad set, trust me, you won't get a lot of success from that campaign. The second reason is audience size. It can be too small or it can be too big. Facebook recommends to start with potential reach of at least 500,000. If you have less people than that in your targeting, it will be much harder for you to get good results. And the same goes for those of you whose potential reach is much higher. Try to set up your reach from 500,000 up to 1 million people on Facebook. More than that will end with campaign failure, and less than that will end with much expensive leads or cost per product. Reason number 3, your copy isn't attractive enough. Yes, this happens a lot and I see it daily on Facebook. Please remember that no one goes on Facebook and automatically thinks about buying a product or service. You need to be attractive, you need to stand out. In addition to that, your product isn't the only one that is selling right now on Facebook. You need to be super attractive and you need to be super competitive in front of all of those other ads and other information that people are actually looking for on Facebook. They're looking at pictures of their friends, they are looking for news from different pages that they are already signed up for, and you are new to them. You need to have a good and attractive copy, you need to shock them, you need to amaze them, and only then they will notice your ads and will click on it. Reason number 4. Your video is too long. Usually when you run ads on Facebook, the recommended length of your video is under 30 seconds. No one really wants to watch a long video on Facebook of some product they're not familiar with. The shorter your video, the better. You can find how many people watched your video until the end by choosing the proper column section in Facebook Ads Manager. Your goal is to make your video super informative in a short period of time. Try to make it up to 15 seconds. If you can make it just 15 seconds long, it will be great. So these were why your Facebook ads do not work. I hope this video was helpful to you. Those are not the only reasons why your ads might not work. And if you want to learn more, join me for my next workshop on Facebook ads. Let's see what else is there and what else is blocking your ads from working. Let me know in the comments below what were main reasons for you for your campaign failure, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.